Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the radios that nearby device needs: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location. Once done, make sure both gadgets are awake and within a few meters. Open the device's nearby device or share menu now and set visibility to on. This is the first actionable step. You don't need to pair like classic Bluetooth. Instead, you enable discovery. Prepare the specific file, link, or contact to send so the next step is uninterrupted and fast. You now pick exactly what you will send, using the share sheet to select nearby device. Once you tap it, scan the list and select the visible target device. Verify by avatar, name, or model so you don't send the wrong thing. When the receiving device prompts, both of you confirm identity and permissions. This step ensures security and explains why discovery is required. If options appear for image quality or destination folder, choose them now to avoid interruptions during transfer. Finish by watching the transfer progress and keeping both screens active. You want to see 100% or a done confirmation. Once complete, accept or save files on the receiving device and check the downloads or chosen folder. Make sure to close the share session to preserve privacy. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, restart nearby device or both phones, and bring them closer. This often resolves handshake or signal issues quickly, so you can retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.